Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be doing a Body Shop haul, plus I'll be doing a mini review on some of the items that I have tried out before. So if you want to see any of these products, then just keep on watching. With these first two products, I was able to save $20 on my purchase because I had two $10 coupons, and it's basically because I'm part of the Love Your Body Club, and it's an awesome program. It's free to join, and basically they have different customer perks. When it's your birthday, you get a $10 coupon, and they also do have events and sometimes sneak peeks, and also if you have 100 points, you get a $10 coupon as well. So definitely recommend checking it out. So with my purchase, I only had to pay a difference of $2.83 because these products were on sale as well, which is really awesome. So the first product that I got is the coconut body butter, and honestly this is one of my favorite scents from the Body Shop. And with this product, it's supposed to give 48-hour ultra rich moisture for very dry skin, and this does a good job at leaving my skin feeling very smooth. It's very thick and extremely hydrating. And then the next product is the Polynesian Monoi Radiance oil, and this is a radiant body and hair oil. So for me specifically, I like to use this in my hair. I think this is either my second or my third bottle. This honestly works really great for me. It's not too thick and it's not too thin, and it does a good job at leaving my hair feeling soft, and using a little bit goes a long way. These next two products are great for sensitive skin, and they're also good for taking off any costume makeup, full glam, or if you just want to take off your makeup after a long day. So they're from the Camomile makeup removing collection, and there are 5 products in this line, and I have 2 of them, so I'll show you how they work out for me. First up is the Gentle Eye Makeup Remover, and this has calming chamomile extract in it. I used a small amount with a cotton pad, and it did such a great job. I was able to easily and quickly remove my eye makeup with not too much rubbing. It was very efficient, and it left my skin feeling great. Next is a Sumptuous cleansing butter, and this has such a silky texture that easily glides over the skin. I've never used a product like this before and was very pleased with how it worked out. I used a medium-sized amount and rubbed it on my face, and literally within seconds I could see it breaking up and melting away my makeup. And then afterwards I just wiped everything off with a cotton pad, and then I rinsed my face and I patted it dry, and I was left with clean, soft, and hydrated skin. These next products, the Body Shop does carry them year-round. However, these ones are limited edition scents, and they are from the Vanilla Pumpkin range. So this one is a hand cream, and since it's small, it's perfect for throwing in your purse and when you're on the go. And then next is a shower gel, and I have used this one before, and honestly it works out really great. It has a very nice lather, and the scent smells amazing. And then next up is a newer product to the store, and this is the Mediterranean Almond Milk with Oats, and this is an instant soothing mask. And I just tried this out recently for the first time and worked out very nicely for me. I do have a review of it on my channel, so I'll leave the link for that down below. So with this product, it's great for sensitive skin, and it's honestly going to be really great for the winter time when you need that extra TLC if your skin is feeling tight and it just needs a little bit more hydration. And then the last product, I haven't tried this one out before, so it's the Hemp Hardworking Hand Protector, and this is expert care for ultra dry hands. And honestly, for me, I have extremely dry hands in the winter. It's just like on another level, and basically it just happens to me when I'm at work, and the back of my hand just gets chafed, and even sometimes if it's really extreme, it actually bleeds. So I'm really interested to see how this is going to work out for me. And when I was reading the product, basically it was just saying that plant oils work with your sebum, which is the skin's own oil and natural moisturizing factor, to enhance the skin's barrier function. So this reduces transepidermal water loss, which means the skin is better hydrated. So the hemp acts like an armor, so that's just gonna seal in that moisture and keep your hands nice and moisturized. So I'm really interested to see how this is gonna work out for me, and hopefully it's gonna keep my hands nice and moisturized for the winter. So that's it for my video today. I hope you found it to be helpful with the different reviews, and if you want any more information about anything that I mentioned, just check the description box below, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!